Lately, life has been feeling really rushed. I've been moving from one thing to the next, barely stopping long enough to notice anything in between. And somewhere in all of that constant motion, I almost forgot to pause. Hmm, to notice the little things that bring me joy, the quiet details that make the world feel unique and beautiful. I knew I needed to be more intentional with my time, not in a productive way, but in a presence way. So on this day, I decided to give myself a slow evening. An evening with no rushing, no multitasking, just moving gently and being present. Usually, I'm the kind of person who throws instant coffee into a mug and rushes straight back to work. But on this day, I slowed down. I made it properly. I watched it drip, waiting for it to finish, and it felt strangely grounding. It reminded me that some things are worth waiting for, even when rushing would seem more efficient. Sometimes slower way isn't the weaker choice, it's just the intentional one. I took my time getting ready, not because I had somewhere important to be, but because I wanted to feel present with myself. There's just something so calming about simple routines, blending, brushing, and the small details coming together. It's not about makeup, it never is. It's about giving myself the attention I desire. I think we wait for special occasions to slow down and take care of ourselves. But ordinary evenings like this deserve that energy too. Taking Bubby out is my favorite reason. He doesn't rush, he doesn't overthink, he just exists, fully in the moment. And walking with him reminds me to do the same. To look up more, to notice the sky, the small changes in light, to let my thoughts entangle on their own. Sometimes slowing down doesn't mean doing less, it just means being where you are. I've been trying to create more than I consume, even if it's imperfect, even if I'm still trying to figure things out. There's just something peaceful about sitting with your own ideas, your own thoughts, turning ordinary moments into something meaningful. I don't always know where this journey is going, but I like that I'm choosing to show up for it anyway. Washed off my makeup, and there was just something so comforting about it. Taking the layers off the day, it felt almost symbolic, like returning back to yourself. Skincare has quite literally become one of my grounding rituals. The same steps, the same rhythm. It's repetitive, yeah, but that's what makes it calming. I think routines give us stability when everything else feels unpredictable. And lately, I've really been needing that stability in my life. By the time I start making dinner, everything feels quieter. Just chopping vegetables slowly without rushing through it. Preparing my own food makes me feel grounded, makes me feel responsible, and like I'm taking care of myself in the most basic form. And sometimes that's enough. My favorite part of the day has definitely gotta be doing nothing. Just watching some YouTube, getting comfortable, and letting my mind drift. I used to feel so guilty about evenings like this. Like I should be doing more because I'm in my 20s. But learning that rest is productive too, it gives your mind the space to breathe. And sometimes that's exactly what we need. Before bed, I wrote down a few things I felt grateful for. Nothing big, just small, honest moments from the day. It reminds me that even on the slow days, there's meaning to look for.